In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play 1v1 2K25 with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to invite your friends to a 1v1 in 2K25. To do this, you will have to go over to your friends list on your console, so for example Xbox, or you can invite them through cross-platform play. So you have this option here, or through the Xbox or PlayStation friends list. First, to actually invite them, go over to Play Now. So from the home screen, select Play Now, and then Quick Play. So the very first option when you go to Play Now. When you select Quick Play and you look at the bottom right corner of the screen, or the bottom left, you will see Invite Friends. So all that you have to do is press down on the right joystick, aka R3. Upon pressing down on this joystick, you will bring up the option to invite your friends. Now, of course, if you are on Xbox, you will see the people in your Xbox friends list. If you are on PlayStation, you will see the friends that you have on the PSN friends list. After you send the invite, they can accept and both of you will be matched up together. Now, if you want to invite someone who is on a different platform than you will have to press the bumpers. So, like you saw on the home screen of the game, to access the crossplay menu, press the left and the right bumper, so L plus R. This will bring up this menu instead, and what you have to do is go over to the Friends tab and add your friends through 2K. So you have a 2K profile and you can add them from here. Every time that you add someone, they will be labeled as either Xbox, PlayStation, or any other platforms where the game might be available. So you search for them using their 2K ID, and once you have each other added, then you can send the invite from this window instead of the standard console one. But to actually find the invite option, go to Play Now. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 1v1 2K25 with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.